1 cup water, Papa. Can you get us 1 cup of water? Okay, now we'll dump this in here. Okay, put that in there. Ready? Oh, yeah. Here, dump it like that. Do it. Whoa, good job. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Whoa. No. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Whoa. Shake, shake, shake. You got it? Okay, you want to put the water in there? Okay, here, put the water in there. Put it in there. Yeah, good job. Okay. Okay, wait, I bring the butter. 1/3 cup water. Let's see. 1/3 cup butter. Whoa, good job. Okay. All right. Okay, we're going to stir it, okay? Here, stir it. Stir it. Here. Let me show you, okay? Like this. Like that. Okay? Okay, you do it. Now, we got the water. We got the butter. We got the eggs. Now we gotta put this one. And this one. And we don't have 7-Up, so what are we gonna replace that with?
Diet 7-Up?
You have Diet 7-Up? Or Coke?
I don't know.
I think we have Coke.
Root beer?
We use root beer, I guess. Ready?
Does it have to be warm or cold?
Wanna do it? Can you do it? Yeah, good job.
Pepper.
Is it all gone?
What would you
Wow.
like to substitute with?
Probably use something with real sugar in it.
Root beer?
We haven't used the root beer. We have root beer pistachio. Yeah. Think that's gonna be weird?
Yeah!
We'll see. Jasmine's making it. It's gonna be wonderful. Whoa, good job. Ooh, root beer. I think it's gonna be really good with root beer. You ready? Okay, here. Put it in there. Wow! Okay.
Should we get her a stir, a better stir, a whisker?
Sure. You know what? Mama's gonna record you closer, okay? Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
Jasmine, you want to use this? Whisk? Whisk. Whisk. See, look, it's easier. Whisk.
Oh, what are you doing? You making
A
cupcakes?
whisk.
Are you making cupcakes? No, put it back in there. We're gonna make a cake.
Use this one. I'll take this one.
Yeah, whisk. Good job. So if you become a baker and you have your own restaurant, your own like bake shop, this will be like your first video to show everybody, huh? Do you like cakes? Huh? Do you like cakes? What is that? Pistachio cake? Yum. Stir it good. Stir it. Go. Yeah, look at that. You gotta get all the lumps out of the butter. Okay?
Whisk it. There you go.
Papa's gonna help you.
Whisk.
So I'm gonna do it
You want to do
myself.
it? Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, good job. Whisk.
Good job, honey. Want me to show you? Looks like guacamole, huh? Can I have my own spoon to help? No, you don't want me to? Okay. What color is that? Green? Green. Is it yours? You're not going to share? When we make it, are you going to share?
Smile.
That's not nice.
Smile.
Say share.
Share.
You gonna share?
Share.
Share?
Smile. Smile.
It's Mama and Papa's anniversary. Are you gonna share with us?
What Daddy?
Is he dancing?
What Daddy? Papa?
Papa dancing? Is he trying to get away from the camera? You're doing a good job. Good job, honey. Okay, you want Mama to help you now? Want help? Help? No? You want to do it yourself?
No.
Okay, let's see how it looks. I think there's a few more clumps in there. You need help?
No.
Okay, you'll do it yourself. We're going to eat it just like that. I'm sure it'll be just fine. Huh? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
No.
Now say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Okay. We'll
Bye-bye.
continue when the cake is done. When the cake is done, we'll finish off, okay? Okay.